How to form right angle at a point. For this purpose, you will need a ruler, a pencil, and a pair of compasses. In order to form a right angle at a given point A, the line first needs to be extended to the left. Then set your compasses fairly wide and then put the point on the point A and draw arcs on either side of A crossing the line as depicting in the above diagram. After that, set the compasses a little wider. Then put the point of the compasses where an arc crosses the line and draw arcs above and below the line. After doing this, keep the same compass setting, put the point of the compasses where the other arc crosses the line and draw another pair of arcs. Then draw a straight line through the points where the arcs intersect as shown. This line will create a right angle at the point A. Hope the method is clear to you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.